It's showtime. What's up? What's up? 2:14 p.m. Market closed about an hour ago. It's Pacific time. It's Monday, 24th. Go Niners, easy win. But let's get into the day here. All right, coming off that nasty week last week. Have a little bit of rust up in here because 53%. It's not really gonna do it moving forward. But I know what happened, man. When you lose discipline towards the middle of the day, you start trying to force trades, and kind of just boredom always gets to me, and I try to force trades. But when we're focused and we're taking trades based on the market, it's gonna be a good day. So basically break even, $20. Can't buy shit with that. But it's better than negative 100, negative 1,000, right? And as long as I can learn from my mistakes and apply it for the next day, it's a good day if you're not losing, right? So I'm just going to go over a couple of these trades just to show you guys why I took the trade, show myself why I took the trade. Yeah, make sure you don't follow. I'm a novice. Don't take advice from me. This is just me showing you how it is when you're trying to learn, and maybe some things will stick out to you that you have issues with, or maybe you could help me out. So let's get into some of these trades. I started the day out with like 2 or 3 green trades. It was looking to be a real solid day. I don't think the charts are up, so let's go over here, DVN. I also was taking 2 contracts at a time today, so the moves were, the returns were a little bit nicer, but I guess the losses were bigger too. This is the D1. It came up on alert for me, got into this gap here between the past 2 days, or January 20th, 21st, and I also noticed the volume was picking up, so I was fairly confident in going long in this stock, especially because SPY had a hell of a rally today, and I should have been up a shit ton more, but I wasn't confident in the trend and in the bounce, so I was doubting my plays. But hey, as a noob, it happens, and it's fine as long as I didn't lose money, right? And learn for the next time. So it rallied with SPY pretty much, was strong here, consolidated, didn't pull back with SPY. This is pretty much the area I got in, I think. Let's see, 259 I got in at the top of this candle somewhere, or in this red candle. Added two call options, and I sold one up here after this big move right here. For a nice 2% gain. That was for $34, and then I sold my last one a couple minutes later up here for another $30 gain. So buying 2 contracts allows me to scale in and scale out, which is something I need to practice anyways, and I get to take advantage of these quicker moves and also, I guess, boost up the return. So I'm happy with this trade. Obviously, I missed out on overall the biggest, a huge move, but this shit's easy to see in hindsight. Like, oh yeah, I should have just got in here and got out, and it would have been a $4 move. But when this shit's in real time, your indicators are going up and down, red, green. Like, it's hard to tell. So this shit ain't easy, but that's a positive trade right there. Let's go back over here. Let's do another one. As you can see here, HAL. I took 2 trades, HAL on HAL. They had a positive response to earnings, but then you see up here, I got chopped out of a HAL trade as well. So could have been a nice gain on 2 HAL trades. Let's see. I'll switch screens. Chart's not up yet. This was definitely relative strength. Left money on the table for sure. Let's go over here. HAL. Check out the daily first. above all SMAs. It's my favorite thing to trade, of course. It's up in the top right corner. This B, earnings was before the market opened. What time did I get in? 3:39. So right at the end of the day. Got in up here, or right in here, and I sold 20 minutes later right up here. So that was the last Halliburton trade I took. Solid little 10% return. And again, a lot of these stocks, I had a good day considering I picked these stocks myself. It was before anyone mentioned it in any of the chat rooms. So I'm happy about that. I'm on the right track and finding the right stocks. And look at that. SPY started rallying. Didn't participate in this pullback. Just continued up, up, and up. So if I could get, a little bit more confident in trusting what I see on the market, I could ride a bigger move here. But 20 minutes, $56 return. That's cool with me, right? Let's skip Halliburton. I don't remember this trade. Kroger went long. Actually, I like this trade. I took a little pop in SPY for a quick little move. So let's check out the daily. I've traded this one recently, past couple weeks, because it's above all the SMAs. It's kind of consolidating up here, and I know it's kind of a strong stock. We're just waiting for the market. So I like Kroger a lot. What time did I get in? 10:28. Where are we at? What else? 10. Back here. Bam. Right in this move right here. 10:28, and I got out at 10:40. So right here at the top. I had a feeling, and I knew that SPY was bouncing here. I took a little move, and right before SPY was turning back around, I got out of there. And if you want to see, what's telling me to get out, let's switch to my TOS. This is KR. I got in right here. Stochastics were, going into a bull cross. TSI was increasing, and pretty much right here at the peak, right before a bearish cross on the stochastics, that was my exit signal. And I use this a lot for exit signals, but sometimes it does make me miss an even bigger move, but sometimes it's perfectly, on the dot. Maybe a little bit laggy, but it keeps me out of trouble. So that's what I used on my exit. Oops. Let's go back to here. So I like that one. That's exactly what my plan was. Take the little SPY pop, and it worked out for a nice little 3% gain. That's $30. So those are my wins. Had some base hits. This was my loss. Show you guys this one. This is an idiot play. I jumped the gun. I thought I was, I guess I feel like I mastered it already, right? Let's see. Let's go over here. Got in at 202, right here at the peak. And this is why you have to keep your eye on the market. As you can see, I was buying in a strength. That's what I like to do. And SPY was just ready to pull back, and it went with it. So I was in this trade for 20 minutes. So got out right out here, which the positive thing about this trade is that I did cut it. It could have went worse. I mean, if it got down over here, I would have been down probably 180 instead of the 90. Now, obviously, you see in hindsight, it came back around, but sometimes it doesn't come back around. So I'm happy with it. Cut it. I want my max loss to be 100 because those are losses that I can handle, that I could build back from. And if I let this one get out of hand, I might have been negative. So let's check out the daily real quick. What did I see on the daily? I did like this breakout here. I'm not sure. I think this I got alerted on it. So there was a lot of strength here, and I guess my initial thesis was right, but I didn't give it a lot of room to be wrong. So this might be a stock I trade tomorrow if the market's still bullish. But I just didn't want to wait around and possibly have to hold it overnight. And you know what I've been talking about every damn video is it's these damn swings that are killing me. So cut it. Let's see. So that was my big loss for the day. I mean, otherwise, I just got chopped up on these. I went short on KHC, which, let's see. KHC. It's below one of the SMAs. I would prefer it to be below everything. I was planning to short it down here at the bottom when the stock was below all SMAs. But it looks like it found support there. Buyers came in and defended this area. So I was wrong on my thesis, and I cut it. I got back in twice too, thinking that I was right. But it's all right, man. I don't got no crystal ball. And I think right down here is when I tried to get short, and that's when SPY found support. So the lesson is always keep your eye on the market. Market first, and just try not to overtrade, and just stay disciplined, man. Even when you're bored, fucking sit on your hands, do whatever, walk away, and just wait for your setup. Wait for the market to tell you when to go in. So things that I'm gonna have to work on in the coming months, but I think we're doing all right considering last week was a disaster. And these are just little base hits. So overall, chill day. Tomorrow we'll look to bring the win rate up. Maybe trade a little bit less, but hit your positions a little bit harder and see what happens tomorrow. Hey, the market's bouncing back, so if we have another bullish day, it's time to make some money. Thank you guys for watching Jared Tries Trading. I think this is episode 13 or 14. You'll see it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Hit me up on Reddit, user Settleville. Hope this is helpful. Take it easy. I'll see you guys tomorrow.